Alright, we are cleaner now and soaked in even more carby cleaner, and now we have, because we are slightly moving. So I'm going to do this for a little while, gently, and just sort of break up as much of the sludge in the tube underneath it as possible, so that our next attempt, well, we don't just go through 12,000 ropes, but yeah, this is good. This is progress. Yeah, lovely. Alright, we'll do this for another half hour or so, and then we'll put the engine crane back on it and see how we go with it. Alright, so we got most of the silicon goo, sort of just scraped it off with a blade, and there's a bunch of... So now we've got a drill with a buff piece on it, and we're just cleaning off the last little bit. Very difficult with one hand. So we're going from this to this. So we just go around, use two hands where possible, because it's way better with two hands. Oh, that was a good shot. Look at that. Look at me go. I'm learning skills. So yeah, I'm just gonna do all of that, clean up that little, we'll probably get a pick or a screwdriver, just scoop all of those last little bits out, and then I won't do it yet, but it'll be ready for silicon and then reassembly, but I'll do that towards the end. I just want to make sure that we get everything else on top sorted out as well. And this, I have found, it's just on the surface. Like, even here, that was just my finger just rubbing it, and it's come good. So yeah, we'll just, I might even get a little brush and back up, because I want as few chunks as possible running through the oil system, especially in the oil pickup, which is over here. I've just sort of run a bunch of brake cleaner through this to clean the inside of the pipe, but this mesh here of rust or gunk or anything else getting caught up in that, because then we're going to destroy the engine if we don't have enough oil flow. So we'll clean up as much as we can before we reinstall this and start her up, and go for first, maybe second round of oil would be perfect, and everything will be clean and happy days. Alright, so we have the little intake section off. This is the MAF sensor, and that's where the EGR, the exhaust gases. I've had a stab at, I've done a pretty good job of cleaning it, since I don't have a an ultrasonic bath, which is on the list of things to buy. But this pipe here is from the EGR that goes into the little offshoot here to pump exhaust gases back in and through the intake manifold for reburning. Now, this hopefully gives you a little bit of a better idea of why I need to take off assembly, which means I'm getting the injectors out as well, is because we can't, it's very hard to see, but if I disconnect the valve, the EGR assembly itself, come on torch, manage to, well, I can disconnect it and have everything undone here, it actually won't fit through all of this stuff here, so I need to remove the whole lot. So it's just several hours of extra work to get the thing out. It's just standard diesel things. It's very, very tightly packed, and yeah, so let's continue.